Want to see how a standard FastAPI CRUD API can be instantly transformed into AI-callable MCP components without rewriting your endpoints? You'll examine this complete e-commerce implementation with Pydantic models, in-memory database, and consistent error handling, all structured to enable seamless MCP conversion. We'll show how the clean separation of input-output models, response model usage, and OpenAPI-compatible design make this the perfect foundation for fast MCP. From FastAPI, conversion in the next steps.
Hash copy this FastAPI server into other code blocks in this guide. From FastAPI import FastAPI, HTTP exception. From Pydantic import base model. Hash models. Class product base model. Name, str. Price, float. Category, str. Description, str none equals none. Class product response, base model. Id, int. Name, str. Price, float. Category, str. Description, str none equals none. Hash create FastAPI app. App equals FastAPI. Title equals e-commerce API. Version equals 1, 0, 0. Hash in memory database. Products DB equals 1, product response. ID equals 1, name equals laptop. Price equals $999. 99, category equals electronics. 2, product response. ID equals 2, name equals mouse. Price equals $29. 99, category equals electronics. 3, product response. ID equals 3, name equals desk chair. Price equals $299. 99, category equals furniture. Nexted equals 4. At app get /products. Response model equals list product response. Def list products. Category, str none equals none. Max price, float none equals none. List product response. List all products with optional filtering. Products equals list, products DB, values. If category. Products equals P for P in products. If P category equals category. If max price. Products equals P for P in products. If P price lesser equal max price. Return products. At app get /product ID. Response model equals product response. Def get product ID, int. Get a specific product by ID. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found. Return products DB product ID. At app post /products. Response model equals product response. Def create product. Create a new product. Global nexted. Product response equals product response. ID equals next ID, * product model dump. Products DB next ID equals product response. Nexted plus equals 1. Return product response. At app put /product ID. Response model equals product response. Def update product ID. Int product. Update an existing product. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found. Products DB product ID equals product response. ID equals product ID. Product model dump. Return products DB product ID. At app delete /product ID. Def delete product ID. Int. Delete a product. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found. del products DB product ID. Return message, product deleted.
This demonstrates a well-structured FastAPI CRUD implementation that follows the clean architecture pattern, making it ideal for future MCP conversion. The code establishes a complete e-commerce API with full CRUD operations, using Pydantic models for strict type validation and OpenAPI schema generation. The distinctive aspect is its deliberate separation of concerns. Input models differ from response models, business logic remains isolated from transport concerns, and error handling uses standard HTTP exception patterns that translate seamlessly to MCP interfaces. The implementation works through a layered approach where root handlers focus solely on business logic, while FastAPI manages transport, validation, and serialization. The in-memory database pattern with atomic ID generation keeps the example self-contained while demonstrating real-world data management. Type hints throughout the code ensure the generated OpenAPI schema will be complete and accurate, providing a solid foundation for MCP conversion. This clean structure means the conversion process via fastMCP from FastAPI will preserve all functionality without requiring code modifications. This approach matters because it creates a single code base that can serve both traditional REST clients and MCP consumers without duplication. The consistent use of response model decorators ensures type safety carries over to MCP interfaces, while the standardized error handling works across both protocols. The implementation simplicity makes it particularly suitable for demonstrating MCP conversion, as the next logical step would be applying fastMCP from FastAPI to this exact codebase to generate the MCP server while maintaining all existing REST functionality. Let's break it down.
Hash copy this FastAPI server into other code blocks in this guide.
This is a complete FastAPI e-commerce API implementation that follows best practices for MCP conversion readiness. The code implements standard CRUD operations with Pydantic models for strict input-output validation, generating a clean OpenAPI schema that fastMCP from FastAPI can later analyze for automatic MCP component generation. The implementation's clean separation of concerns, distinct product and product response models, consistent HTTP exception error handling, and response model usage ensures type safety and validation that will carry over seamlessly to MCP interfaces. This structure enables future dual-mode operation where the same FastAPI application serves both REST endpoints and MCP tools without code duplication.
From FastAPI import FastAPI, HTTP exception. From Pydantic import base model.
Imports FastAPI for web framework capabilities and HTTP exception for consistent error handling. Pydantic's base model provides runtime validation, automatic OpenAPI schema generation, and clean model separation, making this implementation ideal for future MCP conversion. The type-safe structure, explicit response models, and standardized error handling create a solid foundation that fastMCP from FastAPI can later analyze for dual-mode operation.
Hash models. Class product base model. Name, SDR. Price, float. Category, SDR. Description, SDR none equals none.
This Pydantic model defines the input schema for product creation, enforcing type safety and validation at the API boundary. It requires name, price, and category fields while making description optional through the SDR none type hint. The model automatically validates incoming request data before it reaches your root handlers, ensuring only properly structured payloads are processed.
Class product response base model. Id, int. Name, SDR. Price, float. Category, SDR. Description, SDR none equals none.
This defines the response model that extends the input product schema with server-generated fields like id. The strict separation between product input and product response output models creates a clean API boundary that prevents implementation details from leaking into client responses while maintaining full type safety. This pattern makes the API ideal for future MCP conversion, as the explicit Pydantic models and OpenAPI schema generation will directly map to MCP tool definitions. The consistent error handling and response modeling ensure seamless dual-mode operation when converted to MCP components.
Hash create FastAPI app. App equals FastAPI. Title equals e-commerce API. Version equals 1.0.0.
This creates the core FastAPI application instance that serves as the foundation for all REST endpoints. The explicit title and version parameters generate clean OpenAPI documentation, critical for both REST clients and future MCP conversion, as FastMCP uses this schema to auto-generate tool interfaces. The implementation follows best practices that make it MCP-ready. Pydantic models define strict input-output contracts. Response model ensures type safety, and consistent HTTP exception handling works seamlessly across both REST and MCP interfaces. When converted via FastMCP from FastAPI, this exact structure will preserve all validation, error handling, and business logic while exposing the same functionality as AI callable tools.
Products DB equals 1. Product response.
This implements a clean FastAPI CRUD API for product management, structured specifically to enable seamless conversion to MCP components later. The Pydantic models, product and product response, and OpenAPI schema generation create a solid foundation that FastMCP, from FastAPI, can analyze for automatic tool generation. The in-memory dictionary database and consistent HTTP exception error handling ensure the implementation remains self-contained while demonstrating patterns that will work identically in both REST and MCP contexts. The strict separation between input and output models prevents validation issues during interface conversion.
At app get/products, response model equals list product response. Def list products. Category, SDR none equals none. Max price, float none equals none.
This endpoint defines a filtered product listing with optional query parameters. The category and max price parameters enable server-side filtering, reducing client-side processing needs. FastAPI's dependency injection handles these as optional query parameters, while response model enforces consistent output structure and auto-generates OpenAPI documentation, making this ideal for future MCP conversion.
At app get/product/product ID, response model equals product response. Def get product ID, int. Get a specific product by ID. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found. Return products DB product ID.
Standard FastAPI resource endpoint implementing the single resource retrieval pattern. Validates product existence upfront with HTTP 404 for missing resources, enforcing clean error states. The response model ensures all responses conform to product response schema before serialization, maintaining type safety across the API. This clean separation of concerns and explicit error handling makes the implementation ideal for future MCP conversion, while maintaining full REST compatibility.
At app post/products, response model equals product response. Def create product. Create a new product. Global nexted. Product response equals product response. ID equals next ID, asterisk product model dump. Products DB next ID equals product response. Nexted plus equals 1. Return product response.
This endpoint implements product creation using the in-memory store pattern with auto-incrementing IDs. The product model validates input while product response ensures consistent output structure, making this ideal for future MCP conversion. The clean separation of concerns and Pydantic-based validation will enable seamless integration with FastMCP from FastAPI in subsequent steps.
At app, put /product/product ID, response model equals product response. Def update product ID, int product. Update an existing product. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found.
This implements a clean FastAPI CRUD service for product management, structured for seamless MCP conversion. The Pydantic models, product/product response, and OpenAPI schema generation create explicit type contracts that FastMCP can directly analyze. Error handling via HTTP exception and response model annotations ensure consistent behavior that translates perfectly to MCP interfaces.
At app, delete /product/product ID. Def delete product ID, int. Delete a product. If product did not in products DB. Raise HTTP exception. Status code equals 404. Detail equals product not found. Del products DB product ID. Return message, product deleted.
This delete endpoint completes the CRUD operations by handling resource removal through a standard REST pattern. It first validates the product exists to fail fast with 404 for invalid IDs, then performs the deletion from the in-memory dictionary. The simple confirmation response follows common API conventions while maintaining consistency with the other endpoint's response patterns. FastAPI Foundation for MCP conversion. This implementation demonstrates a production-ready FastAPI e-commerce CRUD API structured with MCP conversion in mind, using Pydantic models for strict validation and OpenAPI schema generation that will enable seamless MCP integration. The clean separation between input, product, and output, product response, models ensures type safety across both REST and future MCP interfaces. Consistent error handling through HTTP exception and explicit response models creates a robust foundation that will work identically in MCP mode.
The API that knows only its own shape already contains the shape of all possible interfaces.